Oh shit, this is coming fast! We're going to... where? Rabat Beach. Yeah, Rabat Beach. Wow, the waters are way clearer than I thought.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
This is actually the Atlantic Ocean.
Got that view.
Ready.
You ready?
Ready.
He's ready. Are you ready? She's ready. Are you ready? For what? Oh my god.
Gotta question everything.
We're about to do this, guys. We're gonna get really sick.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that water ice.
You feel it, right?
I feel it, I feel it.
Worth it though. Really, really worth it.
We're currently at the edge of Rabat. Check out these guys. You guys lost the game? You guys look depressed? You guys lost? We won.
We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into life.
Alright, let me tell you what happened today. I woke up at 1:30 a.m. Stayed awake till Fajr.
Slept 3 times in class.
Fell
Got
asleep
kicked out
3
twice.
times.
Made Wudu 3 times. And still fell asleep when he went back.
Yeah, that's exactly what happened. I fell back asleep after Zohor. Woke up around 6 something because of this guy. And he was telling me that we were gonna go out and whatnot. I was so disoriented. I didn't know if it was today or if it was the following day. But yeah, we managed to get out here and we're making moves towards this fort thing.
There's so many cats on the street.
Yeah.
It's so sad.
We actually made an effort and we bought cat food to try to create an army of cats to follow us everywhere.
We just blew up our hasanat right now.
Oh, we did? Yeah, we just messed up because we weren't supposed to tell you that. But still, you know, it'd be cool if cats were following us everywhere. But it's not working out too well because other people also feed the cats.
Cats are not loyal.
Yeah, and they ain't loyal. We just made it to the castle. What's the castle? What's this place called?
Cats on the Parkway.
Casa de Parkway.
I'm just joking.
To be honest, I'd rather stay here for the rest of my life and go back to America because this is so much in tune with their culture. Check this out, it's like a blue city in here. And these cities are so complex. It's like a little maze in here. You know, very few people could get around. But, you know, you look for a tower or what we call a minaret. That usually represents or signifies a mosque or religious center, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, so if you're ever lost, look for a minaret or some tall looking structure in the middle of the city. Subhanallah to everything, bro. Alhamdulillah to everything. You know, very few people get this type of view in this world, and I'm grateful because Allah has given me the ability to come to Morocco, right?
Maghrib. This is what happens when you
Wake up late and get up late and dress up late.
Don't blame me, bro.
Jesus, you late.
I got some nice footage, but I couldn't get everything because they kicked us out. But alhamdulillah, still, hope you like what we got.
How was it? How was it though?
How was what?
How was the view?
we definitely
Bro,
have to
it
come
was
back.
phenomenal. Yeah, we have to definitely come back. Yeah, subhanallah, bro. Subhanallah. Oh man. Whoa. That's something new.
Yo, you make me feel like you're like.
I never saw that in my life. But yeah, that's why it looked kind of crowded because everyone just got kicked out. Where are we going now? Where are we going now, guys? I think we should go buy me some sandals
Yo, I hear my
and a
shoulder.
notebook because I'm barely passing my classes right now. And-
Isn't that barely you failing? What?
no, I'm not failing yet. But if I don't keep up with the work starting today, it's a wrap for me. And I gotta fly back home with the F.
Let's make it right. Let's make it right.
Alright, we make it right. And we're gonna try to get up there. You know, in Morocco, one thing that's nice, money can do anything you want. You know what I mean? You know what I mean?
What did you say?
With money, you can do anything.
Yes. Money makes the world go round.
Oh, no. I lied to you. Oh my God. Bro, check out this sign. I'm sorry for you non-Muslims. This is very upsetting, but this is the reality of Morocco. Let me show
You're a Muslim?
Yo, why is that?
Supposedly, non-Muslims are not allowed to be in spiritual or Islamic related sites. Us being Muslim, maybe we could get some footage for you guys.
You're speaking to the mic.
Yo, this is the first mosque. This is the first mosque I've ever built in Rabat, and it's called the Old Mosque.
It's the first mosque?
Yeah, that was built in Rabat.
Yeah, but unfortunately for non-Muslims, they are not allowed in this holy...
Showing the minaret.
Yo, 544
What?
Hijri.
Yeah, that's the minaret right there. It oversees the ocean and various cities around the area. However, that's the very upsetting sign.
This was made about 1,000 years ago.
The mosque was built about 1,000 years ago,
Yo, let me take a picture of you.
and all we could get is a door for now.
Yo, let's take a picture of
Inshallah, we will be back. You can never be bored in Morocco. You can play soccer anywhere, pretty much. Come on, let me see your moves, Hussein. We should go in there after. Subhanallah. This is pretty nice, man. Yeah, we just walked into another part of this big fortress. Yeah, I got footage of you guys when you guys were playing soccer. I don't know if it was the best clips though.
The people here are so chill,
True that.
like, and kind.
That's what I was saying. If you're bored, you can't ever be bored. You just go talk to a Moroccan or a Amagis, which is the other ethnic people of this town.
What are they called?
Amagis?
No, they're called
Amagis, right?
Amasia.
Work our way down. You wanna go down? Huh?
Down?
Yeah, let's work our way down. Huh? Whoa. Subhanallah. That's a word that we gotta get used to. Wow.
Nice.
I think we're actually walking into like a restaurant or something. It smells like seafood for some reason.
It's not seafood.
What's that smell?
I don't know, but it's not seafood.
Oh wow. Oh wow, no, it's right by the water. Mmm. You guys want to grab some tea here? Some green tea?
You want to buy some tea?
Get some green tea. Then we gotta memorize the alphabet for music.
Music upon music.
منتظرا أن تأتي سيدتي الحلوة. أجلس في المقهى منتظرا أن تأتي.
Brother Hussein just bought some 100% natural argan oil for his beard. Mr. Muhammad's been...
Yo, chill.
Nah, he doesn't smoke. That was here from before. But yeah, we're just waiting on our green tea. Oh wait, it's coming. Wait till you see this. Subhanallah. 3, 2, 1. Shukran. This is the prized drink of Morocco. We drink it every morning, every evening, every night.
No.
Every possible opportunity we have. Subhanallah, it's the best tasting drink I have ever had in my life.
Right away.
Right?
Yes, whatever you said.
Muhammad is one of those guys that hated green tea in the past,
Oh yes,
but now,
I love it.
yes.
Is it
What about you? Do you love green tea? Alright guys, I'm gonna teach you something else today. If you're looking forward to drinking a lot of green tea, whenever you're at a restaurant or any area that serves green tea, ask for this particular drink. It's called Ate Benatna. Ate meaning tea, Be means with, and Natna means mint. So Ate Benatna. If you don't like mint, then say Ate Bela Natna. Means green tea without mint. Right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Dropping knowledge, guys. I'm learning here. We just had a very deep conversation about life and fiqh and whatnot, and how to, you know, talk and communicate with the opposite gender.
Yo, stop. Don't pose that though.
Why not? Bro, we gotta be real out here, you know? That's good stuff to talk about. Could you go?
I think the edge of from here.
Should we go this way? Wow, these alleyways are tiny. Bro, come this way. Look at this. Subhanallah.